Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Amazon. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can either open up the Amazon app if you're on an iPhone, Android, or you can go to Amazon.com, or you can even just find that order in your email. So let's say you're on the Amazon app. You can get to all your orders by tapping on the little person at the bottom left. And then from here at the very top left, you'll be able to see orders. I can tap on that. Now keep in mind, if you're on a web-based browser, you can just go to Amazon.com. And from here, you'll be able to see that little person at the top right. You're going to tap on that. And then your orders, you're going to hit see all. Now, you'll be able to get to all of your orders and cancel them from here. But keep in mind, a third option is if you just have an email with that order, you can just go to that order. You can see I ordered these sponges just a few minutes ago. I can hit view and edit order, and it will bring me to that order on Amazon. So you have a couple different options to be able to navigate to that order on Amazon first. Now, let's say if I go back to my orders on here and scroll down, again, just choose those sponges, you'll be able to see a screen that looks like this. Now, you'll be able to cancel that order on Amazon as long as it hasn't shipped yet and it hasn't gotten through a certain stage where it's preparing to be delivered or shipped. You can see ordered, and I just ordered this, and a cancel order option there. If you don't see it under details here, that might be basically minimized. You can open it up and you can see cancel items there. I can tap on that and it will give me the option to cancel, and I can choose those sponges. And for cancellation, I can just say it was created by mistake. Now keep in mind, I'll walk you through what steps you can take if it doesn't say to cancel that order. But all you need to do is hit request cancellation, and then it will cancel it. It will never bill you in the first place, and they won't ship them to you. But let's go to something that I might have already bought and has been delivered. Let's say these. Now, let's say if you open up a order here and it doesn't give you any option to cancel that. Maybe it's been delivered, or maybe it's just in transit to your house and it's basically not giving you an option to deliver it. The only option you have at that point is to choose this return or replace items. Now, keep in mind, the nice thing is that you can easily return or replace those and get your money back. All you need to do is tap on that. And you can choose, change my mind or my needs change or whatever, and just go through this process. Basically, just answer all of these questions and get a QR code. When you get that QR code, you can just drop it off at Whole Foods or Staples or UPS store. And then basically it'll just send it back to Amazon and they'll refund you that order. So again, similar to a lot of other online retailers, you're able to cancel it as long as it's not physically in the mail yet. Once it is picked up by a carrier and starting to be delivered to your address or your house or business, you won't be able to cancel it, but you can always just return it to get your refund. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.